The US State Department has issued a strong travel advisory for Pakistan, warning Americans against visiting certain regions due to the persistent threat of terrorism and potential for armed conflict. The advisory, issued on March 9, 2025, urges travelers to reconsider travel to Pakistan and strictly advises against visiting Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and the Line of Control due to security concerns. According to the advisory, and I quote, violent extremist groups continue to plot attacks in Pakistan. Terrorist attacks are frequent in Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, which include the former federally administered tribal areas FATA. Large scale terrorist attacks have resulted in numerous casualties, and small scale attacks remain common. End quote. The US government has placed Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa under level 4, do not travel, due to heightened threats posed by extremist groups and insurgent movements. The advisory warns that civilians, security forces, and government facilities are prime targets and that these groups have a history of carrying out assassinations and kidnappings, including attacks on polio eradication teams and local law enforcement. In addition to internal security threats, the advisory highlights risks along the India Pakistan border, particularly the LOC, stating, and I quote, do not travel to the India Pakistan border, including areas along the line of control, for any reason. Militant groups are known to operate in the area, and both India and Pakistan maintain a strong military presence on their respective sides. End quote. The only official border crossing for non-citizens of India and Pakistan is at Atari in the Punjab province. Travelers are advised to check the status of border crossings before planning any travel. The US government warns that Pakistan's security situation remains fluid, with conditions changing with little or no notice. While major cities like Islamabad have better security infrastructure, the same cannot be said for more volatile regions. The advisory lists possible terrorist targets, including transportation hubs and shopping malls, markets, schools and hospitals, government and security offices, tourist attractions, places of worship, and airports. Terrorist groups have also targeted US diplomats and diplomatic facilities in the past. Americans in Pakistan are advised to maintain a low profile, avoid crowded areas, and remain vigilant at all times. The State Department continues to monitor the security situation and has urged US citizens to register with the embassy to receive updates and emergency assistance. As tensions in the region escalate, the US government reiterates its warning. Reconsider travel to Pakistan. If you travel, exercise extreme caution.